What if I told you that you could actually use Nano Banana to create a stream of passive income? Sounds crazy, right? I was just as shocked when I first saw these products on Amazon. They're completely automated with AI and are generating real passive income for people. I even designed a similar shirt myself, literally in just a few clicks, and got started right away. If you also want to learn how to make money like this, then make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and watch this video till the end. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So this whole thing started when I was just scrolling through Amazon looking for some cool t-shirts for myself. That's when it hit me, how do people even make these kinds of design? Guess what? I actually found the secret. Creating these t-shirts is super easy and just as profitable. People are literally making money like crazy doing this. So I downloaded one image and jumped straight into Google AI Studio to recreate it. I uploaded the image and asked it to remake the logo, but with a different animal in the same style. And boom, look at this. It created an awesome and totally unique design. You can try out similar viral ideas too. I think that definitely deserves a like. Go smash that like button. Now once the image is ready, it's time to move on to the text. You might be thinking, where do we get catchy dialogues or taglines from? Don't worry, our buddy ChatGPT has got you covered. Just type the same prompt in ChatGPT, upload your logo, and hit next. You'll instantly get tons of viral style quotes and dialogues. Pick the one you like and copy it. Now it's time to merge your text and logo. My personal favorite tool for this is Canva. You can do almost any kind of editing there. And by the way, you also get 1 month of free pro access. So open Canva, import your logo, place it on the white area, and adjust it nicely. Then add your text using a bold, catchy font that matches your design. Once everything looks perfect, click Share and download your final image. You can repeat the same steps to create as many logo designs as you want. Now jump back into Google AI Studio again, upload both images and type "print this logo on a t-shirt," run it, and just look at this. It created a premium, realistic design in seconds. You can make more unique versions like this one. Just tweak the prompt a little. People are literally earning hundreds of dollars daily doing exactly this, and everything is automated. Now let's move to the earning part. If you're enjoying this so far, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. For earning, go to Printify and log in using your Google account. It'll ask a few basic questions. Just select what fits you. Are you new? Are you a buyer or seller? Individual or team? At the end, you'll see multiple store options: Amazon, Etsy, and more. Choose the platform you want to sell on. Now, if you're like me and targeting the USA, select that region. But if you want to sell globally, I recommend selecting Asia because Printify handles everything for you. Now you'll get two options: create product or connect store. Connect your store later. First, let's create your print-on-demand t-shirt. Click Create Product and choose the last option from the list. You'll see a dummy t-shirt and a few settings. Upload your logo, position it properly, and click here, Preview. And there you go, your t-shirt design in different poses. If you notice the shirt color is only white, go back, click on the color icon at the top, and choose any color you like, or whatever your client wants. Then hit Save Product to save your design. Now, for ad pictures, head back to Google AI Studio one last time. Upload your shirt design and type, "Put this t-shirt on a character model," and boom. Check this out. The picture looks absolutely stunning and realistic. You can create multiple poses just by tweaking the prompt. So congratulations. If you've watched till here, you're definitely ready to start earning from this method. And if you want more awesome tutorials like this before anyone else, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. See you in the next epic video. Till then, goodbye.